calling it Slough, Langley, West Drayton, Hayes and Harlington, Southall, Ealing Broadway, Paddington, Bond Street, Tottenham Court Road, Farringdon. If you are travelling to Langley, you will need to travel in the front 7 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Hayes and Harlington, you will need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train. Change at Hayes and Harlington from services to Heathrow Airport.
Please find a cab with the train and the platform. If you would like assistance on that train, please ask a member of staff who are happy to help.
This train is currently between Taplow and Burnham. This is your Transport for London travel information. There is a planned closure on the Waterloo and City line. There are part closures on the District and Piccadilly lines and the DLR. There is currently a good service operating on all other lines. If you are travelling to Taplow, you need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Whiteton, you need to travel in the front 7 carriages of the train.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. If you would like assistance boarding one of our trains, please ask a member of staff who are happy to help.
This train is currently at Slough.